Hello again. In this video I'm going to show you how to build the TTNN package, Python package, to run later the standalone AI models without third parties plugins like Olama or VLLM. So you expect it to have Ubuntu 22 I think, because 20 does not support, will not works for you because it tries the libstdc 12 dev issue with compiling also. So it will work if you can. Anyway, you should use Ubuntu 22 or Debian. So you have also, you expect to have git installed, because we are going to clone our repository. So you should do this: setup hardware, firmwares, and driver. That's because I'm running the wormhole instance at the cloud, so it's pre-built, so no need to use this instructions. Anyway, we're going directly using going through the TTNN. Here's the interface, as you can see here, but no needs. We don't need it. Anyway, we have to build from source. This copy paste this command. I think git not installed. We have fresh installation. Okay, it's installed. Anyway, we have to clone the repository. Let's log as a root. Again as a root. Then clone the repository. Bypass this command. Anyway, we have to install the dependencies, which is the cmake 3. Any version higher than 3.24. If you install the cmake from apt install, it will not work for you because it's above the required version. I think it's 3.17 or 18. Anyway, we have to install the cmake from source. We have to install dependencies. There we have, so it's just commands copy paste, so nothing is hard. Here we gonna download the 3.28, then extracts, as you can see here. Already is download and extract, and now it's extracting. Then cd to cmake 3.28. Then we have to run the bootstrap, as you can see here. It will take some time. I think it will take 4 to 5 minutes, maybe more than 5 minutes. I'm going to pause this video until we have bootstrapped the cmake, then I will return back to you. Okay, it raised an OpenSSL error which does not exist anyway. It's pretty simple, just to install the OpenSSL package. Then we have to run the command bootstrap again. So log back as root. Okay, so we have to come back to our cmake folder. Then bootstrap again. Okay, it works, so it doesn't take much time, I think, not like before. Okay, we have to run the make command. With this option, as you can see here, if you run make only make, it will take much time, so just add this option to very fast making. So you see the progress. This quick step if we run make with that option. So if you run make only make, will take much time for you. Please note that if you install the cmake, the latest version of cmake from source or third-party repositories, will not work for you, because I think it requires 3.30 as maximum version allowed. So this is the main cause of making this video, just to install the cmake, the required cmake from source, until building updates on the TTNN package. Developers at Tenstorrent working to support the for the 2022 Ubuntu, so they are migrating, I think, if I can say. So every day there are an updates on the repository itself. Not every day, every hour there are an update on the TTNN package on the GitHub. So we have almost done. So okay, we have to run install. Okay, you see the progress, installing, then finish. So we have to verify the installation. Okay, it works. We have to install Python of course. So and Python pipe, of course. Also, I think Python dev. So anyway, we have to install also the Ninja package. Please note that the dependencies here not works for you. If you install the dependencies from this script, has no sense. This script has no sense. So we have to install the dependencies as per my video, because it's already tested and works fine. Anyway, we have to complete. So we have to install the clang 17. I don't find a direct command for that, so we have to install it from the third party, which is, I think, VLLM from VLLM by it's just commands copy paste, so nothing is we have to change the permissions to be executable. Then we have to run the command to install automatically the clang 17, because it comes as a dependency which we haven't listed. So hopefully it tries an error, but hopefully they comes with this command which fix it. So we have to install dependencies also for this VLLM, I think. Then run the command again to install our clang 17 package. As you can see here, it works fine. Everything goes going right, as you can see here. And let's verify the build. I think it should build now without any errors. So we have to run the command as mentioned here in the documentation. Okay, it works as you can see here, but I think I'm missing some packages. Anyway, let's see what errors we have. We tries. I think errors related with C++ packages. I think yes. So we have to install, I think, the C++ packages and other Nima lib. Yeah, as I said. as you can see here, name is missing. Dev, I think, which resolve that error. So then we have to run the command again. It will be fast because it's caught. Yes, as you can see here. But also I think we raise such errors. As you can see, it building now. See the progress, but I think it will rise such error like libhwloc, I think. Anyway, we have to wait and see what errors will rise. Okay, as you can see here, the libhwloc package is missing. Let's run the command again. Okay, it works fine. Okay, another error raised here, which related with the boost package. I think some packages of boost are missing, so we have to install all boost packages. All versions, all development versions, of course. It's very long process, as you can see here. Anyway, it's going fast. Then we have to run the command again. It will take, I think, some time. It's maybe 4 to 5 minutes, maybe more than 5 minutes, maybe even 10 minutes. Anyway, I'm going to come back on its build, so I'm going to pause this video. Anyway, it built successfully. It took about 1 hour quarter to 20 minutes. Anyway, as you can see here, let's run again to see if builds on it. Okay. It's expected to be to print up to date, but it will be building again, so I'm going to pause again, then return back. Okay, it built successfully. As I said, it took about 1/4 hour to 20 minutes. Anyway, we have to jump to the next command. We have to run this command, copy paste, just copy paste, nothing else. As you can see here, it raised an error. In fact, it was built without raising any warning or errors. Anyway, this last command said we have to install the Python 3.11 the environment, virtual environment, I think. So we have to copy paste, just copy paste, then yes, then run again. No, it does not works. So path activate message. What's happened? So we have to run this command again. Okay, yes. Creating virtual, as you can see here. Here also take some time. Installing dependencies, which take also about 10 minutes, I think, but we have to wait it. Then run the source command, which enters to the virtual environment that we will work with. I think I should pause this video and return back once it's completed. I think it's almost done, I think. Okay, I think it's already we have created the virtual environment, so we have to run this command to see if it works or not. Okay, everything works fine. So we have to test. We are in Python environment, this Python. So we have to run the test command. Let's run test command to see if it works or not. we have to export these variables, environment variables. Then we have to run test command to see if it works or not, to see our build package works or not. So we have to run this command. Yes, everything works fine. So we have successfully built the TTNN package from source. See you again on the next video, which is running the Microsoft Phi 2, second version of Phi. So that's all. Thanks for watching and see you again.